Understanding, on the down and out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. On the down and out. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in everyday English conversations. Let's unpack it together and see how you can use it in your own conversations. On the down and out refers to a situation where someone is experiencing a low point in their life, particularly relating to financial hardship or social standing. When someone says they are on the down and out, they're usually talking about a phase of struggle, lacking resources, or going through a tough time that has affected their overall well-being and status. The phrase, on the down and out, has its roots in early 20th century slang. Originally, it might have been used to describe boxers who were both down, as in knocked down in the ring, and out, as in out of the fight or competition. Over time, its usage expanded to describe anyone in a state of misfortune or decline, not just physically but in all aspects of life. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. In a sentence, after losing his job, he was really on the down and out, struggling to make ends meet. In conversation, have you seen Mike lately? He seems like he's on the down and out. Maybe we should offer some help. In literature or media, characters described as on the down and out are often shown in moments of reflection or in the process of overcoming adversity. It's helpful to know other phrases that convey a similar meaning. Some synonyms or related expressions include down on one's luck, going through a rough patch, in dire straits, hit rock bottom. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and give you alternative ways to express the same concept. The phrase, on the down and out, is a powerful expression that encapsulates a range of human experiences related to struggle, resilience, and the hope for a turnaround. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and use, making you more confident in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and emotions they convey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay tuned.